The report highlights that the changes in housing benefit coincides with increasing poverty among some social housing tenants as a result of the spare room subsidy and benefit cap. We identified that 51% of tenants that we surveyed had seen an increase in their personal debt. A large number were now in rent arrears where previously they hadn't been. And a large number were also starting to use food banks where previously they'd been able to pay for and use services directly. Secondly, we found that many councils are working well with partner organisations to plan for and address the impact of welfare reform changes, but this wasn't consistent throughout Wales. Some really hadn't got to grips with the areas that they needed to. Thirdly, we identified that councils and housing association landlords are working hard to address the impact of welfare reform and increase the supply of smaller homes, but access to private rented sector, the use of lodging schemes and the development of new housing wasn't really making a significant impact at this time. And finally, the work that landlords were putting in place to prepare for universal credit would suggest that they're going to face increasing risks in the future, and there is great concerns that direct payments will really affect the businesses they run.